solutions to life. And on this channel, we talk about simple solution to life. So we are constantly looking out for anything that will give us simple solution to life. That situation that has defied science, that situation that has defied our human understanding, that is what we look out for to see how we can unravel the problem and how we can provide solution to it. So if you're just tuning in for the first time, you're not in the wrong place. Please subscribe to our channel and then always remember to give me a thumbs up at the end of watching my video. Okay? All right. This morning, I just want to make this video very brief, very fast. It's as a result of popular question people have been asking me. So this morning, I want to show us how we can pray a dangerous prayer. I want to show us how things operate in the spirit. Yes. Number one thing I want to tell us this morning is that God is not moved with your emotions. God is precise. God uses formula. If you're unable to meet the formula of God, you're on your own. You're wasting your time. If you shout and shout and shout and shout. Spirituality is not about shouting and shouting. Yes, I've said it before. Spirituality is knowing the mind of God and knowing what entails to solve a particular problem. Yes. So you may be faced with a certain problem for years. I may not know that this is how you're supposed to, follow it up and get solution to it. So on this channel, we try to make ourselves understand, to see things, how we can work out things, to solve problem. In my video, I think about 3 or 4 months ago, I uploaded a video talking about how to do back to sender with a bottled water and Psalm 35. Yes. And I asked us to pray over it for 3 days before you shake it violently and drink it. And if you cannot finish up a bottle at a go, then you can make sure that you finish up that bottle of water within an hour. Yes. So a lot of people have been reaching out to me with their testimonies for that. And also on this channel, we sell back to sender. You understand? This is back to sender. If you have seen in some of our advertisement, you will see this bottle popping up, Back to sender. This is a herb. It's a natural herb. It's a natural herb. We have to make it this way, compressed, so that it can last you a long time and it can go anywhere in the world, wherever you are on the face of this earth, it can get to you. Yes. So, how to use it? The right way to pray to get results. That is why I am uploading this video this morning. Okay? Because people kept on asking me, and some people are just joining us for the first time. I think when we uploaded, we talked about this back to sender. I think we're about 35,000 subscribers or so. But now the family is increasing. We're having new people. And I need to talk to us again, to explain to us the kind of prayer that we're supposed to do to get results. Yes. And let me tell you one thing. Back to sender, I once said it in my video here, how one of my uncle, who is a registrar in one of the universities in Nigeria here, his deputy felt he has overstayed his office and he went and did something so that the guy will drop dead or become bedridden, so that he will become the registrar. And at the end of the day, what happened? The guy laced money with charm, with poison, and gave to the man that, Elga, this is, use this one I want to sponsor your fuel for this week. He gave it to him. And the man collected. That is my uncle. He collected the envelope and said, thank you, God bless you. And he climbed upstairs into his office. This guy was standing right there downstairs in the car lot or car park. He slumped. And even as I'm talking to you right now, he's still bedridden and he's still there. He's not dead though, he's serving his punishment. It is exactly what he has proposed that went to him. That is back to center. And apart from that, my elder brother, when he was building a house, one of my uncle felt, he felt pained, as in jealous, envy, wickedness, He sent an arrow of death to him. But before then, when he started the building project, they told him that he has to bath. He must take a spiritual bath. You understand? With this. It's just a herb. It's a herb. You understand? So you just put it inside water. Pray over it. Then shower. That is all. But when that my uncle sent arrow of death to our elder brother, what happened? It went straight to kill his own son. His son was a manager in one of the top 5-star hotel in Nigeria here. But the guy died. When they brought his corpse home, he's the same age mate with my own elder brother. At least he wanted to kill somebody's son. His own son died. And he was crying. The old man was crying. Hey, I've used my hand to do myself. I've used my hand to kill myself. I've used my hand to do myself. People didn't understand. It took us 3 days to decode the meaning of what he was saying. But his own son is dead and buried. Therefore, my people, family, anybody that says your water will not boil, his own will not warm. Yes, see how to pray with this. You will just take a pinch of this if you already have it. Take a pinch of the back to sender. Just a pinch of it like this and put it inside your clean bucket of water. Then you pray over it and say, oh God in heaven, as I use this back to sender to bath, any man, any woman, any spirit that wish me death, whoever wish me death, let the person be buried. Yes. Anybody that wish me accident, let the person be crushed. Anybody that wish me downfall, let the person come fall down, crash landing. Anybody that wish me sickness, let the person be bedridden. Anybody that wish me evil, let evil overtake him and his household. Make sure everything that you want, say it. Then pour this water on your body, from your head to your toe. Just don't use soap, don't use sponge. This is a dangerous prayer. It is exactly how you say it. You will now become a walking weapon. Yes, your enemy will not understand, but let them try you. Yes, when they try you, they will be sorry. That is it. This is real. Anything I come to this channel to sell to you guys is real. Yes, it's real. It is only a YouTube thing. I come here to teach you, do this, do that. Anyone you say I bring it, I say, come and buy. It is real. Okay? It is a spiritually potent. This is spirit. This is a spirit. Back to center. You understand? So, and the one of the water, if you cannot get this, it's because it's not everybody that can get this. So if you cannot get this, you can do the one of the water. Read Psalm 35 and pray over the bottle of, buy a brand new water. You understand? Brand new one that is not open. It's not only this company. I don't even know this company. You understand? I don't know them. They are not paying me for advertisement. I'm not advertising any pure water company, any bottled water company. Get any bottled water of your choice. You understand? Then pray over it for 3 days. On the 3rd day, You shake it violently. You understand? Say all these dangerous prayers and then drink it and watch and see the manifestation of God's power in your life. Yes, God is real. God is still in the business of answering prayers. Yes. Even in the book of Psalms, it is there. There is dangerous prayers. Yes. So guys, let us use this, okay? If you don't have back to sender, you can do your own back to sender using your bottled water, okay? All right. So, please, till I come your way again, see you in my next video. But please subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you. I love you all. God bless you. Bye.